Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today the date is 17th September 2020 and the day is Thursday. We are in the science class 7. We have started chapter number 6, which was about the particle models of the matter. In the last lecture we discussed introduction and history of the particle model. Now we are going to start our next topic, which is about the particle models for solids, liquids and gases. In this topic we will discuss its physical property and the changes in the physical states. Let's discuss these points. First of all, we will discuss about the properties of the matter. As we know that the matter exists in three states: solids, liquids and gases. The physical properties of solids, liquids and gases are discussed here. Matter can exist in three physical states. And what was the matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is known as matter. All the living things and non-living things are considered matter because they have space, occupy space and have mass. They have occupy space and have mass. Now there is the points solids, liquids and gases. The table below shows some differences in the physical properties of solids, liquids and gases. Physical property: in the physical property, those things which can be observed and seen by our five senses like eye, nose. These sensory organs are used for the physical property. First of all, we will discuss about the shape. Solids have definite shape. It means that they have a definite shape. For example, we have chair, we have table, we have duster. All these have a definite shape. There is no irregular pattern. They have a regular pattern which gives them a definite shape. Liquid have no definite shape because हम लिक्विड्स को किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल में गिराते हैं तो वो उसी मॉलिक्यूल्स के अंदर वो उसी कंटेनर की शेप अटेन कर लेते हैं. सपोज डैट अगर हम उनको वाटर में लिखते हैं या गैस में या जार में, किसी भी शेप में अगर हम लोग इसको कहते हैं तो वो वैसी ही शेप को अटेन कर लेते हैं और उनकी कोई भी डेफिनेट शेप नहीं होती. सिमिलरली गैसेस हैव नो डेफिनेट शेप. गैस को भी हम जिस कंटेनर में और जार में रखते हैं तो वो वैसे ही शेप को अटेन कर लेते हैं और वो पूरी स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई कर लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द वॉल्यूम. Solids have definite volume, liquids have definite volume, while gases have no definite volume because the gases can be spread by बिकॉज जो हमारे पास जो गैसेस होती हैं इनके डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम नहीं होता और ये किसी भी चीज़ को अटेन कर लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द डेंसिटी. सॉलिड्स हैव हाई डेंसिटी, लिक्विड्स हैव हाई टू मीडियम डेंसिटी एंड गैसेस हैव लो डेंसिटी. Compressibility: it means that can we compress the solid? We cannot compress the solid because they are definite in the shape. Their molecules are closely packed to one another. They have only vibrational motion, therefore it is unable to we can compress them, while liquids cannot be compressed and gases can be compressed. Next is the fluidity: cannot flow, can flow and can flow. Physical properties of a solid, liquid and gases have been discussed. The difference in the physical properties of the solid, liquid and gases can be explained using particle models of matter. Whether a matter is a solid, a liquid or a gas depend on the arrangement and the freedom of motion of the small and discrete particles in the matter. ठीक है, तो जो डिस्क्रीट पार्टिकल्स हैं जिनको हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम एटम्स का नाम दिया था अकॉर्डिंग टू डेमोक्राटस, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली दीज आर द एटम्स एंड दे आर क्लोजली पैक्ड टू वन अनदर. हमारे पास सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैसेस जो भी हैं हम उनकी अरेंजमेंट पे डिपेंड करता है कि उनके अंदर एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल की अरेंजमेंट कैसी है. तो इस अरेंजमेंट की बेस पर हम लोग को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि उनके अंदर फ्रीडम ऑफ मोशन कैसी है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लोग सॉलिड्स की बात करते हैं तो okay, there is a figure 6.10. Three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. These are the robot which give the example of the solid. ठीक है, liquid, there are the some type of the liquid which is present inside the bottle. And if we talk about the gas, there is the helium gas which is present inside the balloons to fill the balloons. Solids, in a solid, the particles are packed closely together in the regular pattern. Okay, the regular pattern can be shown in the figure 6.11, in which there is the cubic shape of the solid can be shown. It is a regular pattern, and the shape can be given the name because they are cuboid, rectangle, square. The pattern can be named. They are held together in a fixed position by a strong attractive forces. The particle only vibrate from its side to side and spin about their fixed position but cannot मूव पास्ट वन अनदर. ठीक है, जिनके दरमियान में स्पेस बहुत कम होती है. स्पेस बहुत कम होने की वजह से ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ वाइब्रेशन मोशन करते हैं. वाइब्रेशन मोशन करने की वजह से ये अपनी जगह को नहीं छोड़ते बल्कि ये अपनी ही जगह के गिर्द वाइब्रेट करते हैं. दिस इज़ why a solid has a definite shape and a volume and is unable to flow. A solid cannot be compressed because its particles are already very close to one another and are held by strong forces in a fixed position. Next we have the liquids. In the liquid the particles are not arranged in a regular pattern. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि इनका रेगुलर पैटर्न नहीं होता, इनका वॉल्यूम नहीं होता, जिसकी वजह से ये जिस कंटेनर में इनको डालते हैं ये उसी कंटेनर की शेप को अटेन कर लेते हैं. दे आर नॉट एज क्लोजली पैक्ड एज दोज इन सॉलिड. द पार्टिकल्स वाइब्रेट बट डू नॉट हैव फिक्स्ड पोजिशन बिकॉज दे हैव द स्पेस बिटवीन दैम एंड दे कैन बी मूव freely and randomly. They move around one another. This explains why a liquid can show and take the shape of the container to fill. However, the particles of a liquid are also held together by strong attractive forces, so a liquid like a solid occupies a definite volume and cannot be compressed. Next we have a gas. In a gas the particles are widely spaced. They move randomly in all directions and it's high speed colliding with one another. Colliding means that they have the ability to touch one another, to hit one another. This is known as colliding. And the walls of the container giving rise into the gas pressure, the particles have spread out as far as they can to fill up any container completely and quickly. The shape and the volume of the gas thus the same as that of the container it fills. There is a little or no force of attraction among the particles of a gas, which is why a gas can flow easily. Since the particles are widely spaced and not held by strong forces, the gas can be compressed easily. Next we have the try it out. There is arrangement of the particles. You have to fill in the blanks as can be shown in the solid, liquid and gases. They have the regular pattern, free to move about no fixed position, and free to move about no fixed position. They are highly packed, no closely packed, or they are far apart from one another. ठीक है, this type of you can fill this on the page. The diagram below show models of the water particles in the solid, liquid and gaseous states. ठीक है, these are the arrangements which can be seen. Or the particle in the different states of water of the same type do the shapes and size of the water particles vary in different how do arrangement of the particle in different states. यहाँ पे वो ये बात करें कि हमारे पास अगर वाटर है तो we can see that the water has the three states. Water can exist in the form of the solid state, in the form of ice, and we have a liquid water, and we have the gaseous water in the form of the steam. Water is the only liquid which can exist in all three states of matter. Change in the physical states. Under the right conditions such as temperature and pressure, a substance can be solid, liquid or a gas. Under the right condition, ice can change into liquid water and then into water and vapor or steam. Next we is often seen in the solid state. However, just like ice, water can melt into liquid and boils off as vapors if the temperature is high enough. Figure 6.61 show the different processes which involve change in state. ठीक है, हमारे पास सॉलिड है, वो कह रहा है अगर आपके पास आइस क्यूब है, आपकी कॉमन ऑब्जर्वेशन भी है, अगर आप आइस क्यूब को किसी बाहर आप रूम टेम्परेचर पे भी रखते हैं तो यू कैन सी दैट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द सॉलिड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द लिक्विड एंड दिस लिक्विड व्हेन बॉइल्स ऑन स्टोव इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द स्टीम. दिस फिजिकल स्टेट कैन बी सीन एज अ सॉलिड. On heating it will be converted in melting it will be converted into liquid, but when we freeze it back it will convert into the solid, and when we boil the liquid will be converted into the gaseous state, which will come in the form of the steam. And when we condense it, condense is the process in which the steam cool down and convert back into the liquid. This condition is known as condensation. And next is the sublimation, is the process in which the melting state is missing and solid is directly converted into the gas. Those solid in which melting state is mixed and solid is directly converted into the steam is known as sublimation. Let us see how the particle model of matter can be used to explain the changes in the state. First of all, we have the melting, freezing and boiling. These are the common words that we use in our routine life. We will discuss it. When a solid is heated, the particle gain energy and vibrate faster and faster until the attractive forces between them fall them together in their fixed position. The particles break away small groups and move further apart. ठीक है, इनके जो दरमियान के जो जब हम किसी भी लिक्विड को हीट करते हैं तो इनका बॉन्ड टूट जाता है. बॉन्ड टूटने की वजह से ये एक दूसरे से दूर चले जाते हैं. The solid has changed into the liquid. This change in the arrangement and the motion of particles is called melting. For a pure substance, melting occur such as the temperature known as the melting point. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग अपने सॉलिड को हीट अप करते हैं तो उनका बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हम इसको मेल्टिंग का नाम देते हैं. When a liquid is cooled, the particle lose energy and slow down. The attractive force acting between these particles because stronger. When the attractive forces form strong enough, thus the particles back to their fixed position, the substance become a solid. This change in the arrangement and motion of particles is called freezing. ठीक है, सिंपल इसमें यहाँ पे ये बताई गई, जब लिक्विड उनकी अरेंजमेंट इरेगुलर होती है, लेकिन जब हम उसको फ्रीज़ करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल जब हम लिक्विड को वाटर को फ्रीज़ करते हैं तो वो एक रेगुलर पैटर्न में आ जाते हैं. रेगुलर पैटर्न में आने के बाद जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो अपने आप को एक स्पेसिफिक शेप दे देते हैं, जिसको हम लोग फ्रीजिंग का नाम देते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. व्हेन अ लिक्विड इज हीटेड, द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द गैसेस बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग and particles move over further apart from one another as the distance of evaporation between the particles increases. Separation between the particles increases. The attractive forces between them weaken. When the small group of the particles break up into single particle and the liquid turns into a gas, the change in the arrangement is called boiling point. The fixed temperature at which a liquid change into a gas is called the boiling point. ठीक है, सिंपल सी बात है जी. यहाँ पे जो अगेन अगर लिक्विड उनको अगर इसको मज़ीद हीट करते हैं तो उनके दरमियान में जो अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेज हैं वो और ज़्यादा वीक हो जाती है. अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स वीक होने की वजह से वो मज़ीद एक दूसरे से दूर चले जाते हैं और वो स्टीम में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. तो ऐसा पॉइंट जहाँ पर जो लिक्विड अब कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं गैस में, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. कंडेंसेशन. व्हेन अ गैस इज़ कूल्ड, द पार्टिकल्स lose energy and slow down. Their mutual attractive forces get stronger until they become strong enough to hold the particle together to form a small cluster. This change turns the gas into a liquid and is known as condensation. Again मैं आपको बताया था, condensation is the process in which a liquid is converted back into the solid. This process is known as condensation. No new substance is formed when a substance changes states. The particle of the same type, whether the substance is in the solid, liquid or gaseous state. Only the arrangement and the motion of particle change when a substance change state. ठीक है, सिर्फ इसकी मोशन में उनके स्ट्रक्चर में चेंज आता है, जबकि इनकी कंपोजिशन में चेंज नहीं आता. बिकॉज फिजिकल स्टेट इज़ द स्टेट in which no new product is the form, while chemical change is the change in which new product is formed. So in the physical state, only one state is converted into the second state. There is no any change in the composition. Next we have the table below gives a summary of the process involved in the change of the states. Process and melting, the change from a solid to liquid. Example, chocolate melting है. Condensation है the change from a gas to liquid. ठीक है. Freezing है, freezing में water freeze into ice cubes है. Boiling the change, ठीक है, it is a table of summarized table with examples that we have discussed already. You can just have a look on it for your understanding. This is a practical. We will perform this practical in the lab inshallah. when you will rejoin the school. At the last we have the key point: temperature and pressure can affect the physical state of matter. When a substance change, no new substance is formed, only the arrangement and the motion of the particle change. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को, जब भी कोई फिजिकल चेंज होती है तो उसमें अरेंजमेंट में चेंज नहीं आता, बल्कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके मोशन में चेंज आता है, उसकी अरेंजमेंट में चेंज आता है, उसके कंपोजिशन में चेंज नहीं आता. इट वॉज आवर ओवरऑल टुडेज लेक्चर. होपफुली यू हैव द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द लेक्चर. द आंसर टू द रिव्यू क्वेश्चन विल बी सेंट इन द वीकेंड so that you can print it out and do the practice of the objective on the worksheet. It will be sent in a weekend. Thank you.